to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make sweet lemon pickle. So let's get started.
I've got here 6 ripe lemons which I have washed, 1 cup of raw sugar, 3 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, or you can add it according to your taste, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And for the tempering, I've got 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil of your choice, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing. Take some water in a pot, put it on medium heat, and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, add the lemons, put a lid on, and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the heat off, take the lemons out, and put them in a dish and let them cool down. When the lemons have cooled down, take 1 lemon at a time and cut it in half, and then into quarters, and put them in a dish with any juice that comes out of the lemons back into the dish as well. Repeat this process until you have finished cutting up all your lemons. Add sugar, turmeric, salt, and chili powder and give it a good mix. Cover it up with a lid or a plate or any plastic wrap and let it rest overnight. Next morning, take the lid off and let it dry in the sun for 4 to 5 days, giving it a mix every now and then so it can dry evenly. In the afternoon, bring it inside and cover it up. Repeat this process until most of the liquid gets dry. Do not put it outside if it is raining. You do not want it to get wet or the pickle will get spoiled. After 5 days of drying, it's time to get the tempering ready. Take a small non-stick fry pan, put it on low heat, add some oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, add mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add Asafoetida, give it a mix and turn the heat off. And pour the hot oil on the pickles and mix it well to combine. My sweet lemon pickles are ready. Put it in a sealed container or in a clean glass jar in the fridge or on the bench top and eat it with your favorite curries. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.